The wild dogs have been digging quite a lot. So we think they're looking for a den site. And here comes another dog behind us over here. What they'll often do is find a termite mound that an aardvark is buried into it, like an old hyena den site or an old mound for the warthog.
Can we cross the river?
It's amazing how quickly they can finish off that carcass. Yeah.
Yeah.
He's eating alone.
Yeah, it's definitely a bushbuck that they've killed.
Yeah.
But within 3 or 4 minutes they can completely eat all the soft parts of the carcass.
And then the vultures
Then the vultures will come, absolutely.
or the hyenas.
Sometimes the wild dogs will have serious fights with the hyenas because the hyenas hear the activity of the wild dogs and then they come in and they try and steal what they've killed. So if you have 9, 10 hyenas, they can chase the wild dogs off of the kill.